Dreams of Terror, the true story behind A Nightmare on Elm Street. In the annals of horror cinema, few films have left an indelible mark on the psyche of viewers like Wes Craven's A Nightmare on Elm Street. This 1984 classic introduced us to Freddy Krueger, a twisted specter who haunts the dreams of teenagers, ultimately leading them to their demise. But behind this terrifying tale lies a chilling reality that inspired its creation, one rooted in the dark history of Cambodia. Wes Craven revealed that the genesis of his horrific vision came from a shocking article in the LA Times. This article recounted the true story of a family that survived the Killing Fields of Cambodia, where the Khmer Rouge regime orchestrated a genocide that claimed over 1.7 million lives. Among the survivors was a young boy who, haunted by nightmares, ultimately succumbed to his fears. Craven reflected on how this child, terrified of the malevolent entity pursuing him, tried desperately to stay awake. Yet, when he finally drifted into slumber, it was too late. He was found dead, his screams echoing in the night. The narrative of A Nightmare on Elm Street mirrors this tragedy. Set in Springwood, Ohio, the film follows for teenagers as they confront Freddy, a vengeful spirit seeking retribution against the offspring of those who condemned him to death. The chilling premise that the dreams of the innocent can become their worst nightmare strikes a chord with the true story that inspired it. The Killing Fields of Cambodia serve as a grim backdrop where thousands were executed, their bodies buried in mass graves. The Khmer Rouge, led by Pol Pot, targeted anyone perceived as a threat, systematically eradicating intellectuals, professionals, and ethnic minorities. As the regime crumbled in 1979, many fled, including a double agent named Bong Chun-sao, who endured harrowing trials to reunite with his family. After escaping to America, Sao's son began experiencing horrific nightmares, reminiscent of the very horrors his parents had fled. This phenomenon, often referred to as Asian death syndrome, saw many Southeast Asian immigrants perishing in their sleep without explanation. Was it a horrific legacy from the Killing Fields or a medical anomaly? The truth remains shrouded in mystery. As we delve into the eerie origins of A Nightmare on Elm Street, we confront the unsettling intersection of reality and fiction. The film's terror resonates not just as entertainment but as a poignant reminder of the traumas that can haunt generations. The question lingers, could the nightmares that plagued the young boy and countless others be a reflection of a deeper, more sinister force? Or are they simply the remnants of an unexplainable phenomenon? The answers may forever remain elusive, but the horror they inspire continues to captivate and terrify audiences worldwide. Like, share, and subscribe.